today I am super excited to show you this one-story block of flat that we just concluded its construction here in Nigeria. I will also show you the different stages involved in the finishing of this house so that it will inspire you in case you want to build a house like this in Nigeria. Watch to the end of the video so that you will see how much we spent while finishing this one-story block of flats. Now, a little idea on the pattern of this one-story block of flats. So the block of flats has a total of 6 apartments. So there are 3 apartments on the ground floor and also 3 apartments on the upper floor, and all these apartments are 2-bedroom apartments each. So there are a total of 6 2-bedroom apartments on the house, or rather in the house. So once we completed the roofing stage, we fixed the steel doors on the external door openings so that while plastering the walls, we can dress the doors at the same time. This simply involves the mason men installing the doors in the door openings and making sure they are well plumbed, and also using solid mortar to hold them firmly. Also, after the roofing of the house, the electrician laid the electrical pipes that will run in the roof and inside the walls so that during plastering we can easily coat the pipes with mortar. So at this stage we plastered the external and internal walls of the house. So we simply coated the walls with cement mortar so that the walls can be protected. It was not just the walls that we plastered, but also the bottom of the deck. So after the plastering of the walls and the bottom of the deck, we fixed the windows and dressed them as well. And we used casement windows in this house, which is why we installed them after the plastering. So had it been we used sliding windows, we would have fixed their frames before the plastering of the house. So after installing the windows, we installed window hoods, and these are mortar moldings placed around the windows for aesthetics and for additional protection of the windows from sun, wind, and rain. So at the time of fixing the window hoods, the plumber installed the waste water pipes and the cold water pipes. So all the waste pipes were channeled to the soakaway, and the supply pipes were installed appropriately. So after the plumbing works, it was time for tiling, and the tiling of this house took about a month because we had some delays on supply. So at the tiling stage, we tiled the floors, the kitchen and toilet walls, and also the projected walls of the approach elevation. So before tiling the veranda and balcony areas, we had to first install the handrails that were supposed to be on those spaces. So we installed the handrails at their proper positions before tiling the verandas and the balconies. At this point in this video, I would like to encourage you to subscribe to our channel and like this video so that other people will get to see this video. If you subscribe to the channel, it will encourage us to create more valuable content like this. So after the tiling of the house, it was time for the painting of the walls. So the painter manufactured the paint on site, and he did a good job by painting the internal walls and the external walls very well, so that the house is looking beautiful after the painting. So before we actually started the painting of the house, we had to raise the fence of this property because the fence was a dwarf fence. So we used this opportunity while we were doing the finishing. We raised the fence at the same time, and we plastered the inner partitions of the fence. So after raising the fence on this property, we had to install the gate. We used rolling gate because, as you can see, we don't have much space in the compound. So we used rolling gate so that we can easily roll the gate to one side so that vehicles can move inside the compound. So at this stage, the electrician came back to wire the whole house, and at this stage he had to also install the electrical fixtures that are supposed to be in the house. So once we were through with all the finishing works that we wanted to do on this house, we brought in a cleaner to clean the whole house. So the cleaner cleaned the floor tiles, the wall tiles, and the tiles on the approach elevation of this house. And after cleaning the tiles, he cleared the compound of all debris and all the debts in the compound. And the cleaner did a good job. He actually proved that he is a professional cleaner, because after his job, the house was looking so beautiful, and I liked the job that he did. So you have seen the steps we took while finishing this house. You have also seen the estimated amount we spent in the finishing of this house. I hope this video inspires you in case you want to build a house in Nigeria. Like this video and subscribe to this channel, and also comment on this video so that I will reply to every of your comments. And if you want to consult me on any issue relating to building construction, then use the link in the description of this video to book a one-on-one consultation session with me. I will see you in my next video.